That snowflakes. Hello everybody, welcome to a new repair odyssey. We have a FAIRPHONE 3, which is very slow. It's attempting to boot, but it takes ages and it is very laggy. And as soon as you log in, then it gets even more laggy. The screen starts to flicker. So my guess is we have maybe just some cold solder joints, CPU problem or RAM problem, but it also could be NAND. But as we have a flickering screen after login, it shuts on and we have strange colors. We may also have a graphic problem, which also points out to the CPU. So the question is, what shall we do with this modular phone? We're going to have a look at it, take it apart and see. Maybe it's just a teardown. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, flickering. We're gonna take out the battery. We have not too much screws, which is nice. Flex cables, I don't know. Oh, here we have all the pins which leading to the screen. That's an interesting design. See that? That's nice. Can we take that shield out, or yes, just a little bit clipped in. Good. I think we can zoom back in again. Flex to camera. And another flex. Camera module, it's all written. Button module, speaker module, top module, camera module. Maybe that's only a connection problem, who knows? So, do I have to take these parts out to get to the main board, or will this work without? Let's just try. Here we have another 4 screws, 5 screws. All the same. Oh, now we can lift that up. That's a SIM tray, no, that's a speaker. Speaker, microphone, bottom module, charging port, microphone, good. We have that speaker. Then let's go to the top. I'll take it apart and only connect back the necessary stuff. Maybe it was just because of the drop we have some bad or loose connections. That would be lucky, and I don't think that is the issue, but we will see. So, camera module goes out. Then other part, top module, aux port, microphone, selfie camera, sensor, proximity sensor. So let's see if we can lift the board out. Much to see here. We have all that clipped shields, so and look inside without transferring heat to the board, which is nice if you can do it. On the left is just the hardware buttons. Here we have the connection. That's just the bare frame. Fingerprint sensor shows also its connection to the board. Not gonna take the buttons out. No point in doing that now. We have here. Let's have a quick look at this board. I just want to make sure that we didn't have a connection issue, so we're going to put the board back. Let's put the battery back, turn it on, and see if anything changes. Oh, it's getting worse. Look at that, snowflakes. Why? Now we have a picture. I think I gotta put some screws back here. What was the connector, up or downwards? I can't remember. It seems like it was all the way just a connection issue. Let's see how fast it boots. The first boot took over 2 minutes. Seems to run smooth now. Also, the writing of the logo took very, very long. It was very slow and laggy. I think that's it. I think we fixed it. That's interesting. So, just a connection issue. Good. We're gonna take it apart again. I'm gonna shut it off. No lag, no strange pictures. You can bend it. Good. It seems we fixed a modular phone from the landfill. I expected more. I think I'm gonna post a video anyway because I think it's an interesting device. And yeah, the transparent back cover is also nice, even knowing you don't see much. Yeah, but it's okay. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you like. It's always some of work to do to make some video content. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.